how to log out WhatsApp from iPhone or Android. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can log out WhatsApp from iPhone or Android. Well, if you open up WhatsApp on your iPhone, you can head into settings. Once you head into settings here, you'll be able to see various options here. If you head into account section, you'll find the option to log out on an iPhone right away. However, if you view on your Android device now, if I replace this and if I open up my Android device here and open up WhatsApp, here you can head into settings, and if you head into accounts as well, you'll find only the option to delete account and you won't find the option to log out. Now on iPhone, on an Android, you don't get the option to log out directly. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to proceed to head into settings. Once you head into settings, you want to head into the apps section and then proceed to find WhatsApp. Then what you got to do is you want to scroll down and head into storage and proceed to clear the data. This way all your data will be cleared and your account will get logged out and you'll have to log in back again. However, if your chat is not backed up, you might lose that as well. So make sure to back it up before you do this. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.